Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to Ikea and just trying to find some really good deals because I'm the type of girl who likes to find really good deals and find things that are more inexpensive than other places. So I figured since it's my first time in Ikea that I would kind of show you guys like things that you'd be able to find at Ikea less expensive there than you would at other places. Okay, so with that said and without me talking too much, I'm gonna go ahead and take you guys through my first experience and showing you guys some crazy awesome deals. So, all right, here we are. It's so big. I wonder if it's all underground too.
Well, it's probably got 2 floors.
Look at what Aaron did to our drinks. He strapped them in. Oh my gosh. Keep them safe? Wow, that's impressive. All right, here we go. Okay, wow, there's a daycare. Restaurant. Oh, there's a nursery. Oh my goodness.
You can come and leave your kids. Look at you, bet your babies.
You guys, they've got everything on check here.
Show them the menu.
Like what? Wow.
Okay.
Yeah, I could have that right now. Okay, you probably can't see it, but first stop, the marketplace.
Through these
Yay!
doors.
Okay, so I just spotted something that I really like. These dish towels for 79 cents, I believe. Oh yeah, 79 cents. Cool. I'll just put 2 in my bag for now. So now dishes. We are really in need of dishes because we have none in our new house. So we just gotta find some really inexpensive, cute ones. So these are our options. So I really like this 18 piece for $35. Small, large plates and
Danielle,
bowls.
that's not the same. Yeah, it's
Yeah,
the same.
that's-
They'll be good. And
right.
then the big ones that you have would be good.
So these are really cute, but they're $5 and I am on a budget. Falling on a budget. We are in the comforter section now because Aaron and I don't have a comforter, but we have a duvet cover. So now we are just looking at some of these, seeing how they feel. Did we get a perfect comforter?
I think so.
These are the cutest baskets ever. They get smaller and smaller. So this is $13. These are really cute too. 15. Like put your sugar, salt, and creamer or something. Okay, wow. Oh my gosh. I could put my laundry in this. Okay, so I am back from Ikea, and as you can see, I am in our bedroom. So it's not made yet, but we're gonna try to decorate it today and just put everything together because we have so many boxes. You can't see in this video, but there's like boxes around this area. So I'm gonna try to do this as quickly as I can. But first I wanna say that when I walked into Ikea, I thought that I was gonna be overwhelmed with stuff just because I've been to a store where I've just been overwhelmed. But I think what helped not being overwhelmed was that everything was well organized and They had like a second floor where it was just nothing but furniture, but they did have like some miscellaneous things. And then the first floor had like decorations, you know, bedding stuff and plants. So it was just really cool being able to see Ikea for the first time. And what I didn't know was that there was a childcare, like they had their own childcare area, and I just thought like, that's crazy. I never knew they had anything like that. And then they also had a food court, and apparently they're very well known, or they're famous for their meatballs or something like that. I guess it's like a popular thing there. So the clips that I left were prices that I feel like you wouldn't find at too many places, you know. It's definitely less expensive there. So with that said, I'm gonna go ahead and get right to it. Here, Aaron and I were in need of a dish set, and we finally got one that was like $36, and it's an 18 piece. So it has like your small plates here, bigger plates, and then in the center it has like your bowls, and definitely inexpensive than like where you would find somewhere else. So that's really nice. And then Aaron got a coffee press, which I believe this was $6, and it's just really cute. He wanted one just so that, you know, just so that he could have this for just one coffee instead of making a lot for himself, especially because I don't drink coffee, and if we did, then we wouldn't have to get one of these, but I'm more of like a tea kind of girl. So the next thing that I saw were dish towels, and these were 69 cents a piece, and they are so cute. They have like a red strip going through, and they're very long, so this is really nice. But I was thinking of just using this as decor, and even if I have to dry dishes, I'll be able to use one of these. It's a very, very nice material, made out of cotton, and I just think that they're very light, so I think that's really nice. So I bought 4 of these, and so Aaron liked them, so he was like, I'm gonna grab 2 more. I was like, okay. So these are my mother-in-law's, and I just thought that I'd show you guys. It's like a frame collage, and it has like a gold frame going around them. I believe she said she got these for like $12 a piece, and normally something like this at Target would be $20. So she got 2 of these, and they're just really, really cute, simple, and very light. Like, it's not even a pound. So the last thing that's my mother-in-law's is this water plant, a water pot. Okay, I'm just gonna call it a water pot. But she got this for $4. Yeah, she got this for $4. The handle is like a gold, and then the white is like a cream color, and it's just super cute. And definitely you can use this for decor and put like flowers in there. So the next thing that Aaron and I got was a comforter, and we just really needed these because, as you can see, I have a duvet cover right here, and it's super soft. And so we just needed something to put our duvet cover in. So we got this for, I believe, $69. So it's really, really nice, super soft and like squishy. And then the next thing that we ended up getting is a utensil holder. So you can put this like in the cabinet of like underneath your sink, and then just put like dish soap or sponges or anything that you use to clean. So this can get hooked up under your cabinet. So, and it opens up from here. So that's really cool. It's kind of complicating though, because it's like, you have to close it somehow. Anyway, I actually went online to Ikea, and I actually screenshotted the things that I loved. And I knew that sometime I was going to be going to Ikea at one point. And I had screenshotted these really cute like netted bags. It's like that net material, and I just thought these were so cute. So once I saw these in the store, I was like, I have to get these. They're really cute, and I feel like you can put fruit or vegetables in these and just hang them up on like your wall. So I'm gonna go ahead and open one up so that you can see what they look like. They're really cute, and they come in like a pack of 2. So you have like a large one, and then you have a smaller one. This is what they look like. So you just pull one out, and okay, this is kind of complicating. Oh, okay. There we go. I got it. So this is what it looks like. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. And you can even use this if you're going to like a farmer's market and you're getting like tomatoes and cucumbers and whatnot. I don't know, they're just really cute, very stretchy. You can definitely store a lot of things in here. So I ended up getting a 2-pack for $5 and I just had to get them. Oh, and this is what the small one looks like, so you can definitely tell the difference. This one's longer than this one. So I believe that's all, but I feel like I didn't have anything like interesting, like cool baskets or like any cute decoration, but I will be going back for that soon because I did find a basket that I thought was super cute, and so I figured that I'd like use that for putting shoes. So that completes the end of my haul, and I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. So stay on the lookout because the next video will be a full military house tour, and so I will be able to show you guys around, or Aaron and I will be able to show you guys around. So that will be going on in mine and Aaron's channel, so I will go ahead and put a link down below. If you guys enjoyed that video and you guys want to see more of me, you can click subscribe down below and like this video, and I will see you guys later.